Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a clothing haul. It is a clothing haul from Factory Connections. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Some of my stuff is out. Some of it's on the bed. Just look at the shoe boxes. Now the shoe boxes I've actually had for a while. I just forgot to put them in my last Factory Connection haul. So I'm going to throw them into this one because they're booties. They're shooties. Booties. Shooties. You'll see. So I want to go ahead and start with what's in the bag. There might be like something left out. I can't remember if I've worn it and washed it. I may have. But the first thing I want to show you is the scarf. It is not a full blanket scarf. It is a triangle scarf. But you guys know I'm hot-natured. I can't handle a full blanket scarf anyway. So this is perfect. My manager actually bought me this. She's such a sweetie. Hey, Miss Ellie. I know she's watching. But she bought me this because she got one and I was like, yeah, I was thinking about getting that one and I didn't get it. I'll have to buy one. And she bought it for me. So super cute. I love it. It goes with so many colors right now. And I actually worked to work the other day. So the other thing, another thing I got is this beautiful sweater. Oh my gosh. It is just, I don't even know how to explain it. I love it. I'm ready, guys. I'm ready for the cold weather. I want my drawers open. Let me close it. So, super cute. It's long, almost a duster style. Now, I am in PJs. So, excuse me. Excuse me for the PJs. But, it's kind of a longer style sweater. I wore it for Thanksgiving. And I've worn it 2 or 3 times since Thanksgiving. Actually, I wore it like a couple days in a row because I wore that as my coat. That was my coat. This has got to come off because I'll be sweating. I will be sweating. So everything else is in this bag pretty much. Right on top is a pair of navy leggings, and those I've already took the tags off. I'm pretty sure the scarf was $10.99 and the sweater was, I want to say $13.99, but when I bought this sweater we had our 40% Black Friday sale going on because it actually started the day before Thanksgiving, so it was like $9 or something like that. So it's good buy. It was a good buy. Same thing with these leggings. Our regular price is $7.99 for plus size fleece lined leggings. And Black Friday, they were buy one get one half off. So I got a pair of navy ones. And I got the black ones. Because these are thick. You can't see through them when you bend over. They're fleece lined. They keep you warm. And they're perfect to wear under like the little knee length kind of jersey dresses with some boots. That's the way I've been using. That's the way I've been wearing them. I have some jewelry. The earrings are actually laying right here because I had them out and I almost wore them yesterday, but I didn't. I wore a stud instead of the hoop. And look how cute those are. Super cute. I can find where it goes. You know I can't because I'm on camera. It's right there. But why are you not going in there? Children. Why can't I get my earring in? There it went. There we go. It's like, no, you're not going to. You're on camera. Can't get your earring in. I always have trouble getting the left earring in. I don't know why. There's the earrings. Super cute. Okay, and then the necklace and the earrings was only $3.99. I forgot to give you prices on everything last time. I was so excited. So I got this layered necklace. I know layered necklaces are in, and she's kind of twisted up on herself because she's been in the bag. Let's see if I can untwist it a little bit here. Oh, she might have gotten a little bit of a knot. I'll have to see if I can unknot it. I think I just got it. Yeah, so it looks like a rutilated quartz. I know you can't see that because my camera is shite, but just a really pretty layered necklace. I believe these are all, yeah, all connected on one chain. It has the 2-inch extender, but it looks like a rutilated quartz crystal, so I loved that. And the necklace was only a $4.99, children. I'm not even playing. Okay. Yeah, one of my pairs of pants I've worn. So there's a pair of khaki stretch. It's like a jean, but it's not denim material. You know what I'm saying? It's the it's more of a, not like a khaki trouser. It's more like a trouser material, but it's like a slim fit, like a skinny leg. So this one, the tag came off of, no, we took the tags off. That's right. I believe this was $13.99, and it is just a burgundy, just a plain burgundy top. Just plain burgundy. I need some solid color shirts. I can wear this with that scarf. I can wear this with that sweater. I've been trying to buy pieces that I can coordinate with each other to make really cute outfits. And then I was looking at this one, and my district manager was there, and I was asking her opinion on it, and I was pretty sure I'd seen her wear it. And I was like, Ziana, should I get this jacket? I'm taking the little plastic bits off. And she's like, yes, I have that jacket. Now, I want to say this one was $17.99. And again, it's got really cute brass buttons, the really thick cuff. I think this one is a 2X. And I have plenty of room in it. And it is a true duster style. And it has pockets. Okay. So there is the leopard. It's got black trim. I could actually probably wear it with this. I would burn up. So there is the leopard. What else is in the bag? Oh, yeah, one more thing, I think. One more thing. And then we'll get to the shoes. This is, I think this was another one that was $17.99. It is a very long, sharp bite on the bottom, so I can wear the leggings with this. I will definitely have to have a cami of some sort. See how thin that is? But long sleeve, really cute. I can wear this with the leggings underneath it. Black cami, so it just looks like a black bodysuit underneath. And that was my clothing allowance plus a few other purchases from Factory Connection. Now, guys, I'm going to show you the shoes. All these shoes I purchased, they were not part of the clothing allowance. These were all clearance shoes from the summer clearance. And original price was $24.99. $12.50, and I think when I got them, they were actually $6.50. And I got these to go with a camo jacket, one of the camo jackets that I got, like a swing jacket. But look how pretty this is. I've not even worn them yet, because these are date night shoes, guys. These are not shoes I could wear every day, all day. I can't with my ankles. I have sprained my right ankle before, actually, and fractured my left ankle. So with my ankles, these are not all day wear shoes. These are date night. Wear them to the restaurant, walk around for a little bit, come home, take them off. But look how pretty. And our shoes do go on sale. You just have to know that if you see a shoe you like, you better get it, because we usually only have one of each size, and that's it. Once it's gone, it's usually gone. So the next shoe, same price, $24.99, and this is when they started going down to $6.25, guys. I was like, shoe heaven, shoe heaven. Another shootie. Again, the same size heel. Open toe. I hopefully can grab some with closed toe on this next sale that they do. These are a size 8. I normally wear a size 9, and I can get my foot into this. So you just have to try them on to see how the fit feels. And these were actually Actually really comfortable considering this heel. And they do have a little squish, just a teeny tiny bit. So there is that shoe. Trying to get it back in the shoe box correctly. So these are cute winter shoes. I could still wear them now. Or fall shoes, I mean, with the open toe. Because I'm hot-natured, so this is the same shoe, different color. Again, same price. Just same shoe, different color. Same heel. Super cute. So, I think when we got these, there was another sale because they were like 4 for $10 or something. They were like super cheap when I got them. And then this is same style but different, made different. This one is solid black. This will look really good with that black leopard. I love the dangle. Oh, so really cute shoes. Watch for our sales. Watch for the markdowns. You can get really good bargains in there. I'm just super happy with everything. And I'm missing, like I said, that one pair of like skinny jean. They stretch. I love them. Pants. And they were burgundy. So, not burgundy. I have them in burgundy and now I have them in the khaki color. So I have both colors. Alright guys, that is it for my factory connection haul this month. I'm really liking these earrings. Really liking these earrings. Alright guys, and I know somebody's going to ask me what nail polish I have on almost every time. Somebody asked me. I did them myself. Yes, the acrylics are off. And the color I have on here is Essie. And the shade is Party on a Platform. I don't know if you can still get this, but I've had this one not too long. I think I got it last Christmas and it's still good. And then I just have a little bit of iridescent glitter on the tip. So you can find iridescent glitter anywhere. But the one I have, again, I've had it forever, is a Revlon. And it's just called Star. It's just an iridescent glitter. I mean, you can get those anywhere. So that's what I have on my nails. And if you want to see this look, I use the Soft Glam. This look will be up before or after. Just look for this look. It's going to be a Soft Glam throwback video. So don't forget the holiday giveaway I have going on. It is a holiday thank you to you guys for just hanging out with me and watching and chit-chatting and just hanging out, guys. That's what we do. We hang out, we have fun. So I'll leave that video linked down below, so be sure you have subscribed and go check out that video. Get entered into it. It's not a huge giveaway. I have added a couple little things, not a whole lot, but I have added a couple little things to it already, and I will see you guys on the next one.